Okay, so right now there is a bird in my room. Don't know how it got in my house, but it's in my room, and I'm trying to get it. He's under. Look, do you see that shit? He's under my bed, chilling. Get out of my room, bitch. He sprinted real fast. Nigga, what you want? Get out of my room, you scared bitch. Oh! Where'd he go? You nigga bird. I'll kill you. He's cute though. Look at him. He's friggin' flying around my. He's on my.
He's on my cute. Oh,
I wish I had a
camera. Picture and get it.
I don't know how to get it. It's behind my guitar. My guitar says JR on it.
Alright, we should.
I don't know why. I don't know how to get this goddamn. Oh shit! No, he flew into the wall. I feel bad. Here, I'm gonna throw my PJs over his.
Seriously hurt.
No, if I throw my pajamas over him, it'll just like make him chill the fuck out.
Yeah, but then you'll have to like kill it.
What, my PJs?
I don't know, but because that would make you pick it up.
I'll pick it up. He's freaking flying all around my room. Come here, bird. I feel bad. Crack. Look, he keeps going in that green chair.
Get out of there.
Alright, so we gotta catch this bird. And I don't know how I'm gonna catch it. But this is... Oh, how the fuck did you get in my house? This shit is retarded. Animal house. This is like the 9th animal to be in my house. We had a chipmunk once. That got stuck in my house because Sean's a dumbass and let it in. And it friggin'... We never found it. He's flying. He's in my closet. Get out. Shh, dude, he just darted past me. Here, watch. He's underneath. Okay, he's behind my radiator now. Yeah, I have mad weird shit on my floor. I got like a snorkel. Yeah, there's my snorkel. There's my goggles. Deep sea diving. Scare him out of that side.
I don't want to touch it. Oh, it's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Lauren, can I put this on YouTube? I mean, Facebook. I like this video.
I got.
What do you mean?
I every time I upload a video it says you have violated.
Yeah, Facebook's just dumb. It snuck out when you were talking.
Oh my God.
Alright, it's on my GameCube. Worst platform ever. It's just chilling, dude. This bird's out of its goddamn mind. Scare it towards me, Morgan. Scare it. It's underneath there. Maybe if I play some Death from Above 1979, it'll come out. Because it likes that kind of shit.
It's gonna peck it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh.
Aww, look at him.
He's gonna peck at my eyeballs.
Aww, he's underneath my dresser.
Scared. Look at his heartbeat.
I know.
Mm.
I don't know why the fuck I just did.
Go away, kitty cat.
If we had a cat, this would be horror.
Mm.
Come
Birdie,
here.
you gotta go that way.
Yeah, you run like a scared bitch. How do I catch you?
Go that way.
Someone told me there's a bird.
Sean!
Sean,
Be
shut the...
quiet.
Look under my bed. Stupid ass. Come here.
It's not under your bed.
Look at that bird, dude. It's fucking...
Sean, you scared it.
It's a wren.
Where is it? I'm gonna make it fly around. Come here, little buddy.
Sean, you have to get out of
It
here.
flew on my hair. It just landed on the top of my
Sean, you have
head.
to, like,
I want to grab it, but I don't want venereal diseases. Know what I'm saying?
It's a household pet.
You can't keep this shit in your house.
Charlie, they're very.
Well, you can say that you have to stay home and rescue this bird.
Mom, there's birds in my room. Look it.
for what?
It keeps going on that painting. No, if he goes in my closet, I'm like,
Where is he?
I don't know, but I'm filming him. He's behind my guitar. There he is.
I feel so bad. I can't.
There he is.
figure it
Oh,
out.
yeah. He's under my... Alright. Here, I'll get him out from here.
It needs to go out.
There it is. Alright.
He's gonna get tired. He is
I know,
tired.
and he's gonna just like die.
Alright, here, look. I have a plan. Everyone chill out. I got my PJs.
You're so used to it.
Here, hold this. Film the action. I swear to God. I swear to God, bird. Get out from under them. Get him. Alright, ready? There.
Aw!
No, he just flew onto my tie. Get out from under my bed, you bastard prick.
He's in your stuff.
Couldn't do it.
What? What'd you do?
He'll get tired. Morgan, film this bird.
Yeah, but he's sad. He's on your clothes. Is he?
Oh, this way.
I know.
Don't scare him.
Mom, we can't not scare him.
Yeah,
Oh,
Oh, he's right there.
Scaring him is gonna give him a heart attack.
Alright.
I know.
Chill status. Everyone chill. He keeps smacking in this
He's
stuff.
bouncing.
Alright, ready?
That you said him. Oh my God, cute.
No, he'll tire of these reindeer games. Watch it. He's in my. That's exactly what I need.
Oh.
Alright, watch here. Sheet status.
What?
Mom, you're gonna have to wash my sheets again. Is that okay?
Whatever.
No, don't.
Try to get a towel from the bathroom.
I'm gonna wash the
No, be
sheets
quiet.
again.
Can I have a towel?
Just grab him in your hand.
Yeah, you.
He's gonna
your
give
hand
you
is-
disease.
The hand is small. Here, I'll trap him in these PJs.
Grab him.
I have to do some
Be
beach.
gentle.
Oh, I feel so bad.
I'll go down. Got
You
him?
have him?
Hold him. Okay.
I'll get him.
Hold him good when you got him.
But not too
He's
good.
freaking- Look, his beak is poking out of my books. Look. His beak's poking out.
Yeah. Well, you can't get him behind there. You'll squish him.
Hmm.
You gotta come
Pull
on.
the books forward.
You gotta come out either way, buddy. Come on. Come on. Fella, come on. Alright, ready?
We need like 6 hands.
I'm messing up.
You got too much junk in there.
He's up in the left corner.
Yeah, I'll get him. Watch, ready?
Sean.
Alright,
Come on, he's not
everyone
gonna hurt
relax.
you. He's just a little thing.
Since I got a concussion, everything scared the crap out of me. I'm gonna try. No,
He's
down
over
there.
here.
He's over here.
Alright, chill.
Don't
Look out, Sean.
yell.
It's
He's
alright.
getting tired.
I know, I feel bad.
Everyone relax and I'll get it.
Mama,
I'll get him. Charlie, don't go at him like that.
I think Mom should.
Mom, yeah, you have to go wicked slow to catch a bird. Cause they're
Mom, get it.
status.
Oh.
Here, watch. I'll scare him off one day. There he is. Come here, wren status.
he's a nice little wren.
I know, he's a cute little wren. Look how skinny he is.
Watch, he'll go out this side. Oh, he's up.
I feel so bad.
Why is this gotta be my
How did he get in here?
Mom, let him in.
Something like a towel.
Wait, why would a bird choose to be in a house right now?
He didn't. He did it by accident. You think they would know enough to come out?
To go
the
back
way
out.
They
Yeah.
came in, but they don't.
Hmm.
They just get. They make it worse for themselves.
Hmm.
Oh, man. Okay.
Hi, pretty.
Alright. Face bird.
I wanted him to survive.
It's alright.
Oh, he's right there. We're getting this bird status. You know what? I'll just throw my sheet on. You don't need to wash it. I'm not gonna get.
Just try.
Charlie, leave the sheet alone!
Why?
There's so many other things you can